your best friend in the whole world?
Bella.
No.
Oh shit.
No, you okay?
I got that on camera.
No, everyone cough. That's enough candy. That's enough candy. More? No. Sit back down. Alright, yeah.
Kayla, run around.
No, leave her. Eat the candy. Please be careful over there.
Fall.
No fall. Ballet. She's doing a ballet. Very nice.
Very nice. That's me exercising.
You hold the candy for me.
Yeah, give me.
Jump.
No, don't jump. Give it to me.
Sorry, can I see the video? Michaela, smile.
No. I don't want to bounce.
Ew, Michaela, who's your favorite singer?
Dora.
Who's Justin Bieber's manager's name?
Scooter Buns.
Who's Justin Bieber's girlfriend?
Alina
Alina
Gomez.
Gomez.
Yes, same thing.
Who is Justin Bieber's best friend?
We lost Stephanie and Rocky.
Yeah.
Who's Justin Bieber's best friend?
Asher.
Asher?
What's one of his
Usher.
songs?
She's right, huh?
Never say never.
Nice.
Step to the next.
What?
What's Justin Bieber's favorite song?
Never.
Never.
No, she doesn't know.
What are you doing?
I'm doing ballet.
Are you in a sugar rush?
No.
Yeah, she is. She ate a lot of candy, right?
Michaela, fall down.
Yeah, come.